Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to the new video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. How to get a driving license in Islamabad? Do you need to apply for a driving license in Islamabad? There are a few things you should know before you get started. You need to apply for a learner permit, which is issued by ITP Islamabad Traffic Police. All new drivers must complete the obligatory training period of 6 weeks before they could apply for a regular license. Things to consider when applying for a driving license is Islamabad. Like every driving license office in Pakistan, ITP offices are also heavily crowded. Make sure you arrive early at the office since it can take several hours before the official see you. You should also have all the necessary things and paperwork to get learner license in the first visit. According to ITP representatives, almost 500-600 applicants visit the ITP office every day to apply for driving license. On average, the office issues around 150 license every day. Inaugurated by the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Shaukat Aziz, ITP Islamabad was established in 2006. Since then, ITP has been working to ensure a smooth traffic control system in the capital city. Moreover, ITP will only issue Islamabad driving license to applicants who have Islamabad addresses on their computerized NICS. For our applicants belonging to the district on affidavit from their relatives from Islamabad to represent that the signatory has taken the applicant responsibility is compulsory. An employer in the federal capital can also confirm about his employees from other districts through a similar document, such individual holding card of their office in Islamabad for or affidavits of their department within the city can apply for a driving license. Now let us take a look at all the steps you must take for getting a learner permit and a permanent driving license in Islamabad. Schedule. According to the official website of ITP, here is the free schedule of driving license, which you must deposit in National Bank. Fee for learner permit valid of 6 months. Each category PKR 300. Fee for professional license M. Cycle LTH STV or PSV PKR 1500. Fee for issue of professional license single category PKR 1200. Fee for issue of non-professional license motorcycle or motorcycle plus M. Car G PKR 1200. Urgent card printing fee not including other prescribed fees PKR 400. Driving test fee PKR 200. Digital driving card license fee PKR 400. Where to go? Islamabad Traffic Police Headquarters. Address 19 AV F8 Islamabad 44220. Pakistan. Working hours Monday to Thursday 8 a.m. to 1:15 p.m. 2 to 5 p.m. Saturday and Sunday closed. Document you should take. Original NIC. Your permanent or temporary address should be of Islamabad. Photocopy of your NIC, medical fitness certificate or Form B, which you can download from ITP website. Make sure a registered medical practitioner fills the form. So please guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक रखिएगा अपना ख्याल। अल्लाह हाफिज।